If you are looking for amazing amenities, look no further than White Oak Park at Mundy Mill in Gainesville. Today, we're going to check in with Ward to find out more.
So we're in Gainesville, Georgia at White Oak Park in the Mundy Mill neighborhood, which is a swim and tennis community just on the south side of Hall County. We have golf, we have the University of North Georgia is here, and we're just 5 minutes from Lake Lanier. We have a fantastic amenities package with a 3-acre park, 3 swimming pools, 3 tennis courts, and it's only $600 a year. As you come in the front door of our Prestwick plan, which is 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,300 square feet, we have a formal dining room, a study with French doors. As you come through, you'll see the great room, which is open to the kitchen. We have a gourmet kitchen set up here. The backsplash is an included feature. And this particular home has a gorgeous 27-foot covered, screened, and outdoor fireplace. As you go up the stairs, you'll notice the primary suite, which is the largest out of any floor plan here at White Oak Park. The primary bathroom has a double vanity and a 7-foot shower. We have ranch and 2-story homes from the 430s. We are currently running out of inventory. We only have a few select homes left. Other than that, we've got an incentive package, which is either a low interest rate or a price reduction on the current prices. If you'd like more information about our final phase here at Mundy Mill, please contact me directly at 770-757-4921. You can jump on our website at chafincommunities.com, and we will see you soon.